day till we get on the boat tomorrow. But you guys, we over here. Wait, it's a late intro. We got all this stuff packed. You can see my bag in the back. Nolly's bag back there. Nolly's right here. Nolly don't got no. She don't got no energy right now. Why not, Nolly? What? But you guys, we are now traveling down. We got some miles to go. We ain't really into the drive just yet. We still got like, how many more? Like 300 miles to go. And we'll see you guys when we get to Jacksonville, and we're gonna start a food meal, right? Jollibee. Yeah, we're gonna go to Jollibee down there and see how it is. They said they had the best chicken in the world. A lot of people have been saying that. I want to taste it for myself. So you guys stay tuned for that. We're gonna show you the Airbnb that we're staying at and everything else like that. But you guys, we're just gonna get back on the road, start listening to music. We'll see you guys there. Oh, if we do see some sights, we'll record it. But other than that, yeah, just vibing, chilling out. But we see you guys then. What's up, you guys? Nolly's over there looking at the car. Oh, yeah. My dad's car, I don't know if you can see it back there. My dad's car got a blowout. We had a blowout. I don't know if you can see the tire on the turbine. Yeah, Nolly's happy about it levitating. But yeah, I was changing the tire out outside by the car. We had a huge, we had a huge blowout on it.
I got a picture of it.
Yeah, show it to them for the camera. That's crazy. It blew the bumper off. I put the bumper back in, but yeah. Other than that, yeah. Love on the way to Florida, you know. But we'll see you guys when we get back on the road.
Well, I missed a sign because this man was on the phone, but we're in Florida now. That don't help. We got like, how much you got left? I can't even say. We got like 40 minutes left before.
We're like 39 now.
Whatever.
Dang, that's the cop over there. God damn, that's another cop.
Georgia got many speed checks, man. Like,
they be killing, boy.
my goodness. Hot doggity. Don't come here, y'all. It's ghetto. We just walked in. Oh man. Anything you want to say? As our like about almost 30 minutes and we're touchdowning in Florida.
Man, my legs hurt.
This is my first time in Florida, by the way. I get out, but not that much. But first time touching down in Florida. We saw a sign that says, what, Bucky's, whatever he said. Bussies, yeah.
Bucky's?
Bussies, Bookies, Buckies, whatever it is called. But it's further, whatever. It's further out than where we're gonna go. So. Yeah.
Oh, there's the Florida State.
Yeah, there. I got a little bit of it. But it's hot.
Holy shit! Okay. Somebody's tire blew out.
Yeah. Wow. Bad day for tires. But yeah, it's a little update. Look at the road and stuff. We saw what's that place? Christie's. Crystal Frischies. Yeah, the place Austin wants to go to. We couldn't catch it because it was on the other side of the road. But yeah, he wants to go there too. So
There's
probably
one in Florida, I ain't tripping.
yeah. So not another sign. Neither leads you. There you go. All right, we're gonna get back to this. I got like 30 minutes left, and see when we get there. I was trying to record. You had to sit on the photos. Okay, I can't sit that over there. Jesus, Austin. You're trying to kill me. There's an ambulance over there. Come on, you're relying on how I pick up your people. Jesus, trying to kill us all.
Keep going straight. That's what it said.
Now go upside down. I'm sorry. Here next. So we ordered four crystals
no with onions, cheese, no onions.
Basically, so what I said in reverse. And then after this, we're gonna go to Jollibee. We're big backing on a double today.
Yeah, we haven't ate all day though.
Yeah, we didn't know. We had like some water and like some chips and stuff, but
just to survive us to get down here.
Yeah.
Stay hydrated.
That's what you did. But yeah, so we're gonna eat the food in the car and give you all a review. It's my first time eating crystals. Austin's had this before.
I haven't had a grip on it.
No.
What's your day?
It's cool.
I already had it before. I love crystal.
Yeah, Austin.
I had crystal before.
He's already on big back. You're already on the second one.
Of course.
You're tiny.
They're tiny.
Yeah, I never had these before.
Always, for me, always a 10 out of 10. If you had White Castle before, that's what it tastes like. Basically, it's like White Castle. But this like a snack to hold us off till we get to Jollibee. But it's like she said, it's good. Oh.
I had pickles, so I'm taking my pickle on.
Me either. Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. Crystals. You like it?
I never bash crystals. I hope y'all know that.
No, she ain't bashed it. She just didn't know what it was. But that was like a little snack. It ain't gonna trip. But we off to Jollibee.
I want the chicken.
I do too. Well, you see you guys when we get there. Okay, guys, we spend $31 at Jollibee.
Is that with the mango puncher or something?
Nah, the mango puncher is good.
No, pineapple puncher. Yeah.
It's really good. It's good. you guys, I'm gonna try to get this video out.
It's like a good old pineapple juice feeling.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get this video out for you guys before I go on the cruise. If I don't, just remember it's gonna be ready after the cruise. Just know all the things gonna be ready after the cruise. But you guys, we're just gonna wait for our food to get out. We've been waiting to go to this place forever. I've been wanting to do a review. I got the gravy that everybody been saying is so good.
And we got the purple ubi.
Yeah, she got the ube pie.
Ube, I'm sorry.
Ube pie. Yeah, we about to grub up and then we're just gonna go.
Put the receipt in your pocket.
Yeah.
It's gonna fly away.
We're just gonna go back to the room
and go to sleep.
Yeah. But you guys, it's for it right now. We're just waiting for our food. We'll just see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah, made it to Jollibee, home of the famous Chicken Joy. Austin got the food, secured the bag. Yeah. Secured the bag.
I didn't think they was gonna give us all these fries.
It's a lot of fries?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. All right. This is yours?
My chicken, because I'm black.
These are some big pieces of
They are
chicken.
huge.
My tenders. Oh, they gave me 4.
Yeah, it's 4 tenders.
Oh, it's 4 tenders.
We both got a side of fries. These are a lot of fries.
Right.
I take these to go back to the B&B. And we got this is the ubi. All right, y'all, hold on. I ended the video, but they both gave us little things of gravy. So I'm gonna be a real vlogger for real. You feel me? All right,
let me try it with the fries. They say on TikTok, they say dip your fries in the gravy. This some big bag shit.
Oh, hot. How's it?
The gravy good.
Good?
Yeah.
You open my sauce.
I got you. Should I dip a tender?
Yeah, dip a tender. Hurry up before I end the video so I can eat.
You gotta take a bite of yours first too.
Well, I'm not gonna show my face, but yeah.
I'll take the camera.
Oh, I burned my tongue. Look at me bust for real.
Mm-hmm.
I burnt my tongue.
Oh yeah.
Oh, still recording.
I'm gonna take the phone so Nolly can eat one of her chickens.
I'm scared because I don't know my tongue. I just burnt the crap out of my tongue.
I bet.
So the gravy wasn't that hot. Alright.
I'll definitely come back to Jollibee again.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, we're gonna finish eating and we'll get back to you.
It's a Wawa! Fucking Wawa. I just saw it on what you call it, and then we just passed it. I don't even know what they have here.
Oh, they sell everything here.
I don't know if I got a